running from purpose, you're running from grace. But in the dark, you can...
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly give me a like, share, comment. Let me know where you are watching from. It's another moment of praise. Don't go anywhere. The best is here to come. Remain connected.
You
never give up on me.
What you avoided the face that day, even in disobedience, you stay the same. You call me back, you call my name. Hey. You never gave up on me. You never gave up on me. Even when I ran. Yeah, when I cry out, you heard my voice. You never gave up on me. When I gave up, you never gave up. You never gave up on me. You told me you never stop now. You never gave up on me. Higher now. You never gave up on me. Louder now. DJ Jerryman, keep it moving. Let the sound reach heaven. Because when I was running, you waited for me. When I was silent, you spoke for me. You never gave up on me. You never gave up on me. From my past to my present to my future, forevermore. Say it again. Check it again. You never give again. Raise the sound. Let the praise go all around. I will praise. I will praise. Night and day, I will praise. No more fear, no more doubt. I believe, I receive. Clap your hands, move your feet, turn around. Praise all the way. Through the night, through the day. No delay, no delay. When I praise, I saw the change. When I praise, I broke the chain. When I praise, I saw the grace. Everything turned my praise. Say it again. Don't stop now. Lift it higher. Take it louder. DJ Jerryman, no duh. Make the sound reach heaven. Because when praise goes up, every wall comes down. Praise all the way. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again. Everybody now. Everybody now.
Another amazing moment of praise together. Remain connected.
Let the whole place hear. Hey, you helped me anyway. I didn't deserve it. Hey, you helped me anyway. Hey, when I could not see. When I was strong. When I was weak. perfection. You help me anyway. No perfection. You help me anyway. Just amazing. You help me anyway. Clap your hands. You help me anyway. Hey, move your feet. You help me anyway. Turn around. You help me anyway. Lift it loud. You help me anyway. Left side say. You help me anyway. Right side say. You help me anyway. Everybody say. You help me anyway. Say it again. You help me anyway. When I fell down, you picked me up. You help me anyway. When I cried out, you heard my voice. You help me anyway. When I gave up, you held me close. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. I am standing here. You help me anyway. No more fear. You help me anyway. Now I believe. You help me anyway. I receive. You help me anyway. I am free. You help me anyway. Say it again. You help me anyway. Don't stop now. You help me anyway. Higher now. You help me anyway. DJ Jerryman, don't dull 'em. Make the sound reach heaven. Because when I could not move, you moved for me. And when I had no strength, you fought for me. Yeah. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. From my past, you help me anyway. To my now, you help me anyway. To my future, you help me anyway. Forevermore, you help me anyway. Say it again. You help me anyway. Say it again. You help me anyway. Everybody now. You help me anyway. Let it rise. You help me anyway. 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 DJ Jerryman, raise the sound. You help me anyway. Let the whole place feel it. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. I didn't deserve it. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. When I could not see, you help me anyway. 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 Help me anyway. You help me anyway. Help me anyway. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. DJ Jerryman, raise the sound. Let the whole place feel it. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. I didn't deserve it. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. When I could not see, you help me anyway. When I was down, you help me anyway. When I was weak, you help me anyway. When I was lost, you help me anyway. You found me there, you help me anyway. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. When I could not see, you help me anyway. When I was down, you help me anyway. When I was weak,
DJ Jerryman.
you brought me out.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly do it by giving me a like, share, comment. Let me know where you are watching from. That means a whole lot to me on this platform. God bless you. We are in a praise moment. Remain connected. The title for this one is You brought me out. You brought me out. Remain connected. The best is yet to come.
DJ Jerryman, raise the sound. Let the praise go all around. You brought me up. You brought me up. I was deep inside. You brought me up. You brought me up. You brought me up. I could not escape. You brought me up. When I was trapped, you brought me out. When I was found, you brought me out. When I was sinking, you brought me out. You set me free, you brought me out. You brought me out. You brought me out. No condition. You brought me out. No perfection. You brought me out. Still you love me. You brought me out. Clap your hands. You brought me out. Move your feet. You brought me out. Turn around. Lift it loud. Left side say. You brought me out. Right side say. You brought me out. Everybody say you brought me out. You brought me out. Say it again. You brought me out. Like Joseph in the prison, left alone, forgotten for years, far from home. He told the truth, but still he stayed in chains and silence, day by day. Then one moment everything turned, from the prison floor to the palace throne. What was delayed was not denied at the right time. You brought him out. You brought me out. You brought me out. From the lowest place. You brought me out. Like Lazarus in the grave, 4 days gone. Hope was lost, everything done. People were crying, stone was sealed, but you called his name and death released from the dark place. Back to life. What was finished came back to life. You brought me out. You brought me out. From the grave of fear, you brought me out. You brought me out. When I cried out, you heard my voice. You brought me out. When I gave up, you held me close. You brought me out. When I was confused, you showed the way. You brought me out. I'm standing here. You brought me out. No more fear. You brought me out. Now I believe. You brought me out. I receive. You brought me out. I am free. You brought me out. Say it again. You brought me out. Did not stop now. You brought me out. Higher now. Higher now. You brought me out. Oh, DJ Jerryman, keep it moving. Let the sound reach heaven. Because when I was buried, you raised me. When I was silent, you called me. You brought me out. 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 From my past, to my present, to my future, forevermore. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again. You brought me out. Everybody know. You brought me out. Let it rise. Everybody know. You brought me out. 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 You brought me out.
You brought me out. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly do it by giving me a like, share, comment. Let me know where you are watching from. It's another moment of praise. Remain connected. The title for this one is You Still Came Through. You Still Came Through. Remain connected. The best is yet to come.
You still came through. DJ Jerryman, raise the sound. Let the whole place feel it. You still came through. You still came through. I was not worthy. You still came through. You still came through. You still came through. When I was failing. Looks